Come on, do something. People don't want to stare about or looking at dogs that are sitting. There you go, Tuck. Hey, Gracie, look at you. You're beautiful.
Queen of the snow.
She's just like one big snowball there. Come on, run. Come on. Come on, Grace. Gracie, come on. Come on, Grace. Come on, Grace. Come on, Mama's calling you. I know. Oh, you're beautiful. Yes, you are. You're beautiful. Oh, you're so beautiful. Oh, YouTube is going to love you. YouTube is going to love you. Yes.
Oh my gosh. Got her too Polly. The movie dog.
Tuck. Get the Frisbee. Come on. Get the Frisbee. Come on.
Tucker, come here. Tucker. Let me see.
Tuck.
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 Come here.
Hey.
Tuck. Here.
Oh, God. They're so cute.
No, it's mine.
That's what he does with his sister. Come on, Tuck.
Here, try again.
Well, Gracie's sitting over there, digging. Here you go, Grace.
That's so funny. What is she doing? I don't know. I guess it just feels good. I don't know. Yeah.
All right.
We're like in the snowdrifts in our yard. She sticks her whole head in there.
Do not knock me over. Oh, she's so cute. All right, that is a 3-minute video. So cute.
What are you doing, girl? What are you doing?
Oh my God, they're beautiful.
We're going to an obedience class, and the teacher said to tire them out before they come into class. So,
yep.
Yes. She'll
Yep.
be ready to go. That's why I have my little satchel here. With
There
the
she
dog
is.
treats. Because one of the things
There
in
she is.
the class that I go to, they say that in order to practice distraction skills, you're supposed to ask them to sit in the presence of other dogs. She's not at that point.